According to reports and data, global rapid test kits market size is expected to reach $52.35 billion in 2030 and register a revenue CAGR of 8.1% during the forecast period. Rapid technological advancements and increase in demand for rapid test kits due to increased prevalence of infectious diseases are driving market revenue growth. Governments across the world are focusing on building a robust healthcare system and improving the primary point-of-care infrastructure. Instead of a huge rush at various diagnostic centers for preliminary screening, rapid test kits provide faster and more accurate results and the convenience of staying at home. Rapid test kits provide a wide range of test kits, including over-the-counter, OTC, kits, professional rapid test kits, and others. Governments of various countries are taking initiatives to boost the research and development (R&D) activities in the disease testing sector.